RentRedi is a property management tool designed for independent landlords on small rental portfolios who want an affordable and straightforward solution. It provides essential features such as online rent collection, tenant screening, lease management and maintenance requests in a mobile-friendly format. One of its biggest strengths is its ease of use, allowing landlords to manage properties with minimal setup. The platform is also cost-effective compared to enterprise-level systems. Tenants benefit from a simple app from payment and communication. However, RentRedi lacks advanced accounting or reporting tools. It also offers limited customization and automation. As a portfolio grows, users may outgrow the platform's capabilities. And it is not ideal for complex financial tracking or large-scale operations. It is due for a landlord who have small rental portfolio. Customer support is functional but only basic, and RentRedi works best for hands-on landlords. It's ideal for those managing a small number of units effectively. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.